learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Beipu in Hsinchu is a famous northern Taiwan Hakka village, rich in Hakka culture. The Qin Guangfu House and the Jiang Tianshui Hall are all first-rank historical relics and a must-see while visiting Beipu Old Street. In addition, you can taste all kinds of Hakka snacks, such as the chewy bantiao, tasty meat pancakes, and soft, sweet persimmon cakes.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zepsiu. And why don't we take you to places around Taiwan that has abundant Hakka culture?
冇問題。
沒問題吼。來，去哪兒呢？
好，那我們今天就來去新竹北埔新竹北埔。
哦，新竹北埔，只是經過而已，沒有說真的去了解那邊的一些東西。
那你知道北埔最有名的是什麼東西？
你說食物嗎？
對。
柿子吧？
對，
柿子應該很有名吧？
真的，內行的去過。
Yeah, so there's a lot of great culture, Hakka culture in Hsinchu's Beipu Township. But I've been there, I've driven by the place, but I never knew where exactly to go when I go to Beipu. So 去北埔有什麼樣的景點可以去參觀呢？
去北埔一定要去的就是一級古蹟金光福公館。
金光福公館，
它是一個北埔老街的一個很有紀念性的建築。然後另外一個是甜水堂。那也是一樣要去
天水堂嗎？
對，就是對。
Okay, so there are two different places you should visit near the old street. One is called the Qin Guangfu House, and the other one is the Jiang Tianshui Hall. All right, 所以这些都是在老街附近，对不对？
對。
So what else can we have there? You know, 有什麼樣的吃的？我們剛才講柿子嘛，對不對？
對，吃餅。
吃餅。Okay, that's the persimmon cake， 也就是柿餅的意思，對不對？還有呢？
然後呢，吃了柿餅甜的東西，那就要配點茶，有擂茶。
Of course, 擂茶 right? The lei tea, which is very well known in the Hakka culture.
對，那吃完擂茶之後呢，那吃個鹹的，
好，
那就是Hakka板條。
Hakka板條，板條了，對不對？
沒錯。
Okay, don't forget about the Hakka bun too, the chewy bantiao, and they have a lot of that there too. So, next time you're in Hsinchu, check out Beipu. Let's review these terms. Beipu 怎麼說？
新竹北埔。
新竹北埔, that's Hsinchu's Beipu Township, and then have some of these delicacies. The persimmon cake, 柿餅.
吃餅.
吃餅. And don't forget the lei tea, 擂茶.
擂茶.
擂茶. And finally, the chewy bantiao.
板條.
板條. And there you have it, all about Hakka.
什麼泰嘎？
安子say 中來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.